Hello, today I want to tell you about how to create custom pop-up help windows in LabVIEW. In LabVIEW, controls have a tip strip attribute that allows you to control the text that pops up next to the control. However, you can neither control the size and color of the font, nor the color of the window itself, nor its position. I will show you how I make my windows. I admit that this is time consuming and may seem redundant, but I like to make program interfaces aesthetically pleasing. And having done that once, in the future dragging this option to other programs is simple and fast. I made a test program on the example of which I will show my pop-up windows. I will analyze the program code in detail, and at the end I will show an example of a real application. By the way, here's what built-in tooltip window looks like. I make many controls highlight on over. I also think it looks nice. When I click on help, I activate the help mode. The text pops up inside the LabVIEW. I control its position and size. I made 4 pop-up options in the corners in relation to the control, but you can do it in any convenient place. Now I will show the program code. This is the main program. It has a while loop. All controls are clustered. 2 queues are created. For reading the mouse, and the second for reading the state of the end button. The initial states of all elements of the program are set here. And the position of all controls of interest is determined. First, the position of the upper left corner of the main program, this point, is determined at the origin. Then the absolute value of the coordinates of each control is calculated here. If you do not plan to move the front panel of the program during operation, these functions don't need to be entered inside the loop. Inside the loop, it first determines if the mouse pointer is over the control, then determines if the state has changed in order to trigger the pop-up once. In this subroutine, a pop-up help window is called. There are 2 options: open it or close it. A pop-up window is a LabVIEW that looks like here. It has a loop and 3 controls: position, string, and button. It is necessary to set certain properties of the front panel of the program. so that at startup there is no name, no start stop buttons. If you want to open, then set the width, height and the corner. Then specifies the path to the subroutine, LabVIEW. I open and manage the controls of the pop-up window remotely, since I still have to close it remotely. Text and coordinates are set. Here first we need to run. Closing a window works in a similar way. This this part of the code is responsible for highlighting the controls when hovering over them. Actually, that's all. Now I will show you how it looks in a real program. I posted the program code on GitHub, link is under the video.